Replit versus Bolt versus Cursor. The solo builder coding stack decision. 3 tools claiming the same job. None of them actually do the same thing. I built the same SaaS in all 3 over 90 days. Same product, same deadline, same me. The results were dramatically different. Today I'm breaking down what each tool actually wins at and the 5-rule decision framework. The test: 90 days, 1 SaaS same product spec, 3 branches, 1 built with Replit agent, 1 with Bolt, 1 with Cursor plus Claude Code. Lines of code: Replit 18,000, Bolt 12,000, Cursor 22,000, all 3 shipped working products. Time to MVP: Replit 23 days, Bolt 14 days, Cursor 32 days. Production quality subjective scored on architecture, cleanliness, test coverage, edge case handling. Replit 6 of 10, Bolt 4 of 10, Cursor 9 of 10. The headline: Bolt is fastest to MVP, Cursor is highest quality, Replit is in the middle. But that's not the full picture. Let me break down the 5 specific factors. Stick with me at minute 5. I'll show you exactly which one wins for which use case. Factor 5. Speed to first working version. Bolt wins decisively. From I have an idea to running on the web is 30 minutes. Drop in a prompt, get a working app, iterate. Cursor is slowest, requires more setup, more architecture decisions up front, but once set up, fast. Replit is middle, faster than Cursor for greenfield, slower than Bolt for instant deploys. Verdict: use Bolt for first 24 to 48 hours of any new project. Get to working version fast, then evaluate if it needs to graduate to a more controlled environment. Factor 4. Production quality maintenance. Cursor wins decisively. The development cycle is closer to how senior engineers work. Type safety enforced, test coverage encouraged, refactor friendly. Bolt is worst. Generated code is functional but architecturally weak. Edge cases skipped. Type safety inconsistent. Refactor breaks things. Replit is middle. Generated code is okay, not great, not terrible. Verdict: use Cursor for anything that will exist past 3 months. The maintenance compounds. Factor 3. Iteration speed and development. Bolt and Replit win for visual UI iteration. You can prompt make the button blue and it does it. Fast feedback loop. Cursor is slower for UI tweaks, better for logic and architecture changes. Verdict: mix and match. UI iteration in Bolt or Replit during prototyping. Architecture work in Cursor. Factor 2. Cost economics. Cursor at solo founder usage. Roughly $200 per month for heavy usage. Bolt at solo founder usage. Roughly $80 per month at moderate usage. Replit at solo founder usage. Roughly $200 per month. Per dollar value, Bolt is the cheapest. Cursor is the most expensive but produces highest quality output. Verdict: spending $200 per month on Cursor saves 20+ hours per month of refactor work later. Worth it for production. Factor 1, the big one, the handoff compatibility. This is the most underrated factor. If you ever want to, hire a developer to help, sell the business, open source the code, hand off to co-founder. The code needs to be readable by humans. Bolt produces code that's hard for humans to read. Inconsistent patterns, weird abstractions. Replit produces moderately readable code. Cursor produces production-grade code that any senior dev can pick up. Verdict: if handoff is even a possibility, and for solo founders it almost always is eventually, Cursor wins. Now the decision framework. If you're prototyping an idea this weekend, Bolt. If you're shipping a quick internal tool, Replit. If you're building a real SaaS that will exist past 3 months, Cursor. If you don't know yet which one your project will become, start in Bolt for 2 days, then evaluate. If you have 10+ existing customers depending on it, Cursor only. The hybrid stack. The smart solo builder uses all 3. Bolt for prototyping new ideas. 90% of prototypes are discarded. Don't invest in production quality. Replit for internal tools and quick scripts. The 10% of utilities you'll use forever but never need to scale. Cursor for the main product. the thing you'll be maintaining for 3+ years. The cost, roughly $280 per month combined. The leverage, you match the tool to the task. The trap: don't use Bolt for production code. The technical debt accumulates and bites at 1,000+ customers. Don't use Cursor for prototypes, overinvestment. Don't try to do everything in one tool. The tools are specialized for different tasks. The future direction: by end of 2026, I expect Cursor and Bolt to converge somewhat. Both will support the other's strengths, but they'll still be optimized for different use cases. For now, the 3-tool stack is the right answer for solo founders building real products. Solo OS POV. The coding tool decision is not pick one, it's match the tool to the task. The hybrid stack costs $280 per month and produces dramatically better outcomes than any single tool. I made a 1-page version of this analysis. Solo OS coding tool decision tree, free in the description. The 5 factors, the use case mapping, the hybrid stack setup. Subscribe. Solo OS publishes new analysis every day at 14 UTC.